make a pumpkin soup. We are going to need 2 small onions or 1 big one, a carrot, some garlic, bay leaves, bacon and a pumpkin. And here we have salt and pepper, smoked paprika and olive oil. Also you are going to need to have a blender for finishing the soup. We are going to start cutting the carrots. Doesn't need to be super small, just in big pieces, because after we boil all together we are going to blend it, so don't worry to cut it in small pieces. Just like that, it's perfect. The same for the onions. We are going to cut it in quarters and then at the half. The garlics, I have it here already peeled. Then we're going to use half of the pumpkin. We're going to peel, take all the skin out. Okay, now we have the pumpkin clean, and the same way we are going to cut it in big pieces. We have everything cut. We're going to put it on a plate. And now we're going to start cooking. You're going to need some olive oil. We're going to pre-cook all this together. We're going to add a good quantity of olive oil. Don't be afraid of using it. The oil is hot. We're going to add all the vegetables, the garlics, the onions and the carrots all together. We add the bay leaves in, some salt and black pepper. A good quantity, because then we are going to add the pumpkin and the water. Okay, now that we have a nice color here in the onions, the garlic and the carrots, we are going to add the pumpkin all together. And we repeat the same process. Now that the veggies are starting to get soft, we are going to add the water. Be careful with adding a lot of water, because if not, the soup is going to be liquid and we want to have a creamy consistency. So just level the veggies. If they need more water, we add it later. Cook it for 30 minutes or until the pumpkin is soft. Okay, now we add just a little bit of vegetable oil and the bacon in. If you see carefully, you can see that we are start getting that crispiness that we want. You have to cook it a little bit more and be careful that they can chunk. Okay, I put this lid because it was jumping a lot, but now we are getting the consistency that we want. See how it's red and crispy? The bacon is ready and perfectly crunchy. Now that the veggies are soft and tender, we are going to take the bay leaves out, because now we are going to blend all together. It's important to take it out because we don't want to find little pieces of it in the soup. So we want a creamy consistency. A good tip now is adding butter if you like it, or cream milk, and blend it all together. Okay, now the soup is ready to use. You can see the consistency. It's creamy with a nice orange color. Okay, here we have the soup finished and blended. We are going to make the presentation. We're going to put salt, pepper and smoked paprika on top, black pepper, the bacon, see how crunchy it is, and for finishing, the smoked paprika. And now the soup is ready. Soup ready and ready to eat. Delicious.